Hey everyone, welcome to this WordPress Tabs Builder tutorial. Today I'll show you how to turn any type of content, text, images, videos, or even posts into beautiful interactive tabs using the Smart Tabs plugin. Let's get started. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Then navigate to Smart Tabs, Tab Groups. Here, you can manage all your tab sets. To create a new one, simply click Add New Tab Group. Give a title to your tab group. Below the title, you'll notice two source types, Content and Post. Choose Content if you want to manually create each tab using your own text, images, or videos. Or choose Post if you want Smart Tabs to automatically pull your WordPress posts, or any custom post type, into a tab layout. For this tutorial, I'll start with the content source. Now let's add our first tab. Click Add New Tab. Enter your tab name, add an optional subtitle if you want, and select an icon. You can choose one from the built-in icon library or upload your own custom icon. Enable deep linking if you want to associate a direct link or URL with a specific tab. For each tab, you can select what type of content you want to display: text, image, or video. I'll choose text for this example and add a quick description. You can insert anything here, including formatted text or media. Once your first tab is ready, go ahead and preview it. I'll add a few more tabs so you can see a better preview in action. You can also copy the shortcode from the right panel and paste it into any page to view your tabs immediately. And just like that, your first tab group is created. Now let's explore the layout options. Under the tab settings, you'll find multiple layouts: horizontal top, horizontal bottom, vertical left, vertical right, and a tabs carousel layout. Each layout gives your design a different structure and supports flexible positions like top, bottom, left, right, center, and justified. I'll choose a vertical layout and preview it so you can see how it looks. You'll notice the tabs align beautifully on the side, creating a clean and modern interface. Smart Tabs also offers an incredible number of customization options. You can adjust alignment, spacing, content height, and much more, giving you complete control over how your tabs look and behave. Next, let's customize the design. Under Display Settings, you can modify background colors, active colors, hover effects, padding, borders, and even the active tab style. I'll make a few changes so you can instantly see the design update in the preview. Smart Tabs also includes full responsive settings, allowing you to control exactly how your tabs appear on tablets and mobile devices. If you want to add more visual engagement, you can choose from over 50 built-in description animations. These animations make tab transitions smooth, modern, and visually appealing. For media-heavy tabs, the plugin includes dedicated image and video gallery options, making it super easy to create stunning visual tabs with lightbox support, video play mode, and more. And of course, typography matters. Smart Tabs gives you complete typography control with access to 900+ Google fonts. You can fine-tune alignment, font size, line height, and more to perfectly match your site's branding. Now, let's add this tab group to a page using the Smart Tabs block and check out how it looks on the front end. Awesome! You've just learned how easily you can build beautiful, interactive tabs in WordPress using the Smart Tabs plugin. From custom content to dynamic layouts and unlimited styling options, you have everything you need to create clean, user-friendly tabbed interfaces within minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more Smart Tabs features.